This 3 to 4 days of journey in one word is absolute divine experience. When I came here and they said that the meditations, they taught the correct way of meditation, trust me, you feel that somebody is giving you powers, understanding the Gyan from the God directly, and feeling that whatever faculties are talking, it's not theirs. Because any human cannot talk and doesn't make that much sense unless it's coming from the above. It is so powerful. I have 2 kids at home and I can feel that they are happy. It's radiating to them already. We always wanted love mile, happiness mile, peace mile. What we learnt here is an experience, not by words, that we are creating it, and we have so much because it is coming from above to us. We have to just transfer to the whole world. Om Shanti everyone. Myself Dr. Deeja. I am the Group Head Physiotherapy in Sarvodaya Hospital, Faridabad. The retreat where I've come, I will not say it's a retreat. It's a very understatement word. I have felt the life has transformed. Coming in over here, the energy what I felt over here, the power what I felt over here, sitting in Baba's room, attending lectures, and it has given so much of food for thought that what we have to implement in our life, how we have to live it. I was already into the Gyan from many years, but coming to this retreat, experiencing the vibration, staying in this place, eating the food which is with the power of meditation, with the power of bhog, I think it has transformed the whole body and the glow is just coming automatically. I am feeling that I am the instrument and I am able to radiate peace and love to the world. And the meditation, the candlelight meditation, was so enlightening that we can actually see the other person not as the body, as the soul, and we feel that the light over here is ignited and we are igniting the other people's light. The purpose of life is this only, to make somebody empowered by being empowered by the Almighty. So all these meditations at the different places, all the classes, everything was so powerful. If you want to transform your life in the simplest way possible, without any efforts, without any hassles, please come here, experience it by coming here. This is the best gift you can give to yourself, your family, your country, and to the world. I am so thankful that I can be a part of it. Now I'll go back to my hospital. I'll ensure that it reaches to maximum doctors, maximum patients, and the staff over there, because we want to just spread this positivity and happiness to everybody. And if God has chosen me for that, Baba has chosen me for that and made me an instrument, I'm the blessed one. Thank you so much. Om Shanti.